Hey, what's up everybody? TooTallToby here, and in today's SolidWorks power move, we're going to talk about the command tools, block, make. The tools, block, make command is a very useful shortcut to help you copy and resize and reuse sketch geometry. I use it probably 80% of the time in drawings mode and 20% of the time in sketch mode, but it technically is a sketch command. So here's how this works. We can see that we've got on our title block here, third angle projection, and this box is a little bit too big for my liking. So I'm going to say edit sheet format, and I'm going to select all that geometry. And if it's all too big for my liking, what could we do? Well, we could use the sketching command, scale entities, and then we could say we want to scale about this point here. But the problem is when we do this, not everything scales together. Like you'll notice there that the text doesn't seem to be upsizing and downsizing with that scale command. The other thing that I've run into a lot is if I just kind of manually copy and paste sketch geometry, so take this geometry here, Control C, click somewhere else, Control V, I sometimes get kind of oddball results. Like, why did that text just jump off into space? I don't know the answer. I just know that this happens, and it's happened to me plenty of times. So what I will typically do before I do these types of commands is I'll select this geometry here, so a little crossing select here, and then I'll do tools, block, make. Tools, block, make. And that's it. You just select that geometry, you hit the green check mark. If you're going to add this to a design library and you want to control where it gets inserted, then you can use this insertion point. But most of the time, I'm just going to copy and paste it, so I don't really care about that. But it can be useful. I have added these to design libraries before. So I'm just going to use the default setting here, hit the green check mark. And then what we can see is if I click on this block now, everything gets selected together. If I Control C and then click somewhere else, Control V, you can see that everything was copied together, which is what we want. And you can see here that if I click on this block and then go down to the scale command and change the scale parameter here, now everything is scaling together. So that text isn't like flying off into space or staying the original size. The text itself is actually scaling. So I can get this thing to be a little bit smaller, drag it into place where I want it, and boom, we can see there that drawing looks better. So like I said, this works in sketch mode as well. I probably use it most of the time in drawings for things like this, title blocks or like common blocks of information that I'm copying from one drawing to another. A lot of times I'll make it a block first and then I'll copy and paste it. Certainly you can add it to your design library, and there's probably a lot of other ways to use this. If you know any, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear how you're using the block command. And if this is brand new information to you, let me know that down below in the comments as well. Of course, if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, be sure to subscribe, and if you like my style of teaching, be sure to visit us at TooTallToby.com/training. We've got a lot of great training there to help you go from SolidWorks 0 to SolidWorks Hero in a very short period of time. And I will look forward to seeing all of you in the next TooTallToby Power Moves.